tool unless you want to do comparisons or an exact same looking image. And I have also prompted these same sref numbers once more and selected my favorite images for the video. But if you want to see the rest of them, consider joining my Patreon and supporting this channel. I have all the prompts along with their corresponding images in PDF format available as a bonus for anyone who would like to support this channel financially. So consider joining. But now, let's take a look at the styles. Hello, fellow AI art enthusiasts. My name is Thane and this is a video about 100 more sref styles for your inspiration. I have been going through the Midjourney sref styles for a while now in numerical order, and in this video we shall be taking a look at the sref codes from the range 3300 to 3399. I have prompted each style with my regular empty prompt of a period symbol, accompanied by a seed number 777. Just because I've been using the exact same seed number since I started exploring these. Feel free to use any number for the seed value as it does not matter at all unless you want to do comparisons or an exact same looking image. And I have also prompted these same sref numbers once more and selected my favorite images for the video. But if you want to see the rest of them, consider joining my Patreon and supporting this channel. I have all the prompts along with their corresponding images in PDF format, available as a bonus for anyone who would like to support this channel financially. So consider joining. But now, let's take a look at the styles. 3300, Melancholic Atmospheric Isolation. 3301, Illustrative Whimsical Childlike. 3302, Gritty Distressed, Bleak. 3303, Ethereal Minimalistic Pastel. 3304, Vibrant Neon Geometric. 3305, Dynamic Immersive Textured. 3306, Golden Glowing Majestic. 3307, Minimalistic Geometric Conceptual. 3308, Painterly Adventurous Flowing. 3309, Mystical Gloomy Illuminated. 3310, Fantastical Organic Surreal. 3311, Retro Illustrative Adventurous. 3312, Vibrant Illustrative Imaginative. 3313, Painterly Subdued Mystical. 3314, Serene Dreamlike Foggy. 3315, Intricate Detailed Romantic. 3316, Vivid Abstract Synthetic. 3317, Sketch-like, Rustic Textural. 3318, Gothic Dark Drawing. 3319, Contrastic Vibrant Graphic. 3320, Moody Dim-lit Cinematic. 3321, Neon Cyberpunk Digital. 3322, Vintage Illustrative Sepia. 3323, Vibrant Playful Fantasy. 3324, Whimsical Colorful Storybook. 3325, Cute Pastel Toy-like. 3326, Dystopian Industrial Graphic. 3327, Bright, Contrast Minimalist. 3328, Elegant Cartoony Delicate. 3329, Layered Painterly Symbolic. 3330, Cyberpunk Neon Illustrative. 3331, Distorted Optical Illusion. 3332, Dark Epic Anime. 3333, Impressionist Mosaic Pointillism. 3334, Retro Stylized Film. 3335, Minimalist Sketchy Watercolor. 3336, Illustrated Space Opera. 337. Photorealistic sleek violet. 3338. Epic heroic concept. 3339. Fantasy elemental anime inspired. 3340. Monochrome watercolor illustrative. 3341. Whimsical hand-drawn storybook. 3342. Textured lightborn illustration. 3343. Glowing fairy tale brushwork. 3344. Psycho-grotesque ink. 3345. Brooding oil-washed realism. 3346. Desaturated analog surrealism. 3347. Sunlit cell-painted fantasy. 3348. Flat brush folk minimalism. 3349. Cut-out dream world composition. 3350. Violet-tinged grunge aesthetic. 3351. Luminescent fairy tale fantasy. 3352. High-contrast adventure anime. 3353. Prismatic ink dreamscape. 3354. Candy-toned mid-century abstraction. 3355. Decayed baroque collage. 3356. Melancholic analog memory. 3357. Fluid watercolor abstraction. 3358. Graphic red light surrealism. 3359. Serene hand-painted fantasy. 3360. Glitch-tinted urban surrealism. 3361. Gilded Gothic portraiture. 3362. Painterly slice-of-life nostalgia. 3363. Neon acid fantasy. 3364. Graphite storytelling illustration. 3365. Silken brushstroke romanticism. 3366. Nocturnal monochrome print. 3367. Gothic etching dystopia. 3368. Autumn tinted storybook anime. 3369. Neon brutalist megascape. 3370. Vampiric cyber noir. 3371. Aged analog dreamscape. 3372. Ethereal wash landscape. 3373. Ornate folklore illustration. 3374. Sharp monochrome vogue. 3375. Sunlit pastoral romanticism. 3376. Glowing dark anime. 3377. Muted storybook print. 3378. Gilded futurist monumentalism. 3379. Flat ink Japanese nightscape. 3380. Brutalist monochrome stillness. 3381. Etched mythic noir. 3382. Decayed photographic montage. 3383. Neon street pop collage. 3384. Lush fantasy adventure. 3385. Cyan scarlet, synthwave impressionism. 3386. Solar wave surrealism. 3387. Lush cell-shaded adventure. 3388. Liminal pastel dreamscape. 3389. Raw impressionist sketchwork. 3390. Luminous folk art dreamscape. 3391. Worn fresco surrealism. 3392. Heroic dark cinematography. 3393. Heavenly Neoclassical Fantasy. 3394. Grunge Renaissance Streetwear. 3395. Floral Abstract Impasto. 3396. Neon Inferno Fantasy. 3397. Synthwave Memory Glow. 3398. Whimsical Nightfall Realism. 3399. Layered Pastel Surrealism. And there you have it, 100 styles, with a really wide variety. Honestly, I have not found any yet that have repeated, and you never know what you come across with these. It actually doesn't matter if these are discovered with sref, random, or just by entering random numbers yourself, or going in numerical order. There doesn't seem to be any real logic to them based on the first 3,399 numbers. Also, I am very sorry for not posting a new video for some time now. This winter has just been a never-ending sickness that I'm trying to recover from. I'm feeling much better now after taking a few days off, and hope I don't get a cold for the fourth time in the span of a few months. I thank you so much for watching, and let's continue prompting.